For years, we have been stuck with the same old technology and same old switches. Just look at these. How plain, boring, and dull they look.
I am Sachik Pai and I am a 16-year-old who loves to create IoT based devices and loves to tinker with Arduino, Raspberry Pis and other development boards. Today I am going to show you the project which I have done for the Circuit Digest Competition 2024. Mm, Thank you for selecting my idea and a big thanks to DigiKey for executing my idea. I placed my order uh, on DigiKey. Within the same day, it got shipped internationally, and I got the package within 5 days. So they helped me start the project quicker.
Introducing the Smart Panel. What is the Smart Panel, you may ask? The Smart Panel is a modern touch controlled interface designed for home automation. It acts on the basic concepts of switches and elevates it into a smart, responsive control hub that manages lights, fans, and even displays useful information like time, air, temperature, humidity. This project integrates several technologies to create an intelligent and interactive system that not only looks great but also responds to your presence, making home automation both functional and engaging. This project is split into two parts. Part A includes the screen and greeting feature. Part B covers the relay and LED ring, which I'll explain in a moment. Part A. The components here are the SiPin Max Duino, provided by DigiKey, an IR obstacle sensor which is connected to IO4, then a DHT11 sensor which is connected to IO3. The next is the speaker which is connected to its own dedicated speaker port. Let's dive into the demo. The IR sensor placed just below the screen detects when you wave your hand in front of it. As soon as it senses motion, the device wakes up and greets you through the speaker. Simultaneously, the screen displays the current date and time retrieved from the internet. As you can see here, shows after that, the next slide shows the temperature and humidity data sourced from the DHT11 mounted at the bottom of the box. After a few seconds of inactivity, the screen dims and the display update cycle slows down to 2 seconds. And when you wave your hand again, it repeats the process, greeting you and updating the display with current information. Now let's move on to part B, the device control system. For demonstration purposes, I have removed the speaker, diffuser and the Max-Duino board with the screen to give you a view of the components. Next, here what makes it work. The Node MCU ESP8266 version. This Wi-Fi enabled microcontroller acts as a secondary brain managing the touch inputs and controlling devices like the relay and the WS2812B LED strips. Next is TTP223 touch sensors, which I have placed four of them over here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is a manual switch for controlling the lights with just a simple tap. The sensor allows physical interaction with the system. Next we have is the 4-channel relay. This relay connects the Node MCU to a high power device like lights and fans, safely controlling them with a small current. Next is the WS2812V LED strips, which I have placed at the edges of this panel. The LED ring adds a vibrant and addressable lighting element around the setup. Each LED can be controlled individually for cool lighting effects. Now this is the web dashboard which you can control these switches individually. Now, when I turn on relay number 1, relay number 1 turns on. If I turn on relay number 2, relay number 2 turns on. Like so on, relay 3 and relay 4. And I can control the switches offline also, you touching on these golden pads like this, and it reflects on the dashboard also. Now for the notification LED or the LED ring, this is the light controls. Now when I turn it on, it shows orange color. Because these are addressable, you can add any effect to it. Like now I'll put rainbow. There are many effects you can add later on, or your custom effects also. So this is part B.
Now for a quick demo.
Here I have mounted the smart panel on a flat surface, and I have connected a light bulb to relay number 3 and a fan to relay number 1. Here you can see when I click the third touch sensor, the light turns on, and when I click the first touch sensor, the fan turns on.
Now for a small montage.
Let's see how it was created. And this summarizes the video. Once again, thank you to Circuit Digest and DigiKey for selecting my idea and to make me execute this.